Are you tired of just running and not seeing the speed you want? What if you could train like a sprinter and unlock explosive power in every step? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how. Running is great, but if you really want to boost your speed, it's time to train like a sprinter. In this video, we'll show you how to move beyond regular jogging and focus on explosive strength, agility, and proper technique to help you run faster and more efficiently. Whether you're aiming to improve your race time or just want to take your fitness to the next level, this guide will give you the tools to make it happen. Get ready to push your limits and discover the power of sprint training. Warm up for speed. Before you start training for speed, warming up properly is crucial. Sprinters don't just stretch and hit the track. They prepare their bodies with dynamic movements that activate muscles and increase mobility. A good warm-up gets your blood flowing, increases your heart rate, and helps prevent injuries. Focus on exercises like high knees, leg swings, and butt kicks. High knees get your hip flexors and core engaged, while leg swings loosen your hips and hamstrings. Butt kicks stretch your quads and activate the muscles needed for explosive sprints. These movements get your body ready for the intensity of speed training, allowing you to perform at your best. Sprinting technique matters. To train like a sprinter, mastering your sprinting technique is key. It's not just about running fast. It's about how efficiently you move. Focus on keeping your body in a forward lean, with your core tight and your arms driving back and forth in sync with your legs. Your foot should land beneath you, not in front, to maximize power and avoid slowing yourself down. Additionally, keep your stride quick and explosive, lifting your knees and extending your back leg for a powerful push-off. Remember, short, fast steps are better than long strides, which can throw off your balance. Perfecting these small adjustments in your form can have a huge impact on your speed. Training for speed is not just physical, it's about being smart with how you move. Every improvement in your technique gets you closer to running like a sprinter. Build explosive power. Speed isn't just about running, it's about generating explosive power from your muscles. To train like a sprinter, incorporate plyometric exercises like box jumps, squat jumps, and lunges into your routine. These exercises focus on quick, powerful movements that mimic the burst of energy you need during a sprint. By building explosive power, you'll increase your ability to push off the ground faster, which is crucial for improving your sprinting speed. Remember, more power equals more speed, so make these movements a key part of your training. Sprint intervals for speed. One of the best ways to train for sprinting is by doing sprint intervals. These are short bursts of intense running followed by periods of rest. Start with sprints lasting 20 to 30 seconds, then rest for about a minute before going again. Sprint intervals help improve your top speed and endurance, mimicking the demands of a real race. The goal is to push yourself during each sprint, gradually improving your stamina and speed over time. This method sharpens your performance and is key for training like a sprinter. Strength training for sprinters. Incorporating strength training into your routine is vital for building the power needed for speed. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and lunges. These exercises target multiple muscle groups, enhancing your overall strength and explosiveness. By developing stronger legs and a stable core, you'll improve your sprinting performance significantly. Remember, a sprinter's strength isn't just about size. It's about power and speed, enabling you to push off the ground more effectively with every stride. Recovery techniques. Recovery is just as important as training when it comes to enhancing speed. Incorporate practices like foam rolling, stretching, and rest days into your routine. These techniques help prevent injuries and reduce muscle soreness, allowing your body to repair and rebuild. Proper recovery also ensures that you can perform at your best in every training session. Remember, even the fastest sprinters need time to recover, so listen to your body and prioritize rest to keep improving your speed over time. Nutrition for performance. Fueling your body with the right nutrition is crucial for speed training. Focus on a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Foods like chicken, brown rice, and leafy greens will provide the energy you need for intense workouts. Stay hydrated to support optimal performance and recovery. Remember, what you eat directly impacts your energy levels and muscle recovery, so prioritize nutrition as part of your training plan to run faster and more efficiently. Conclusion. So why just run when you can train like a sprinter? By focusing on proper warm-ups, technique, strength training, core stability and recovery, you'll unlock your full potential and see significant improvements in your speed and overall performance. Embrace these strategies and watch how they elevate your running game. If you're ready to transform your runs, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on training like an athlete. I'd love to hear from you. What's your speed goal? Share it in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey to becoming faster and stronger runners.